Hi, Michael Fentner here again. I've got another dish to bring to the 2020 quarantine virtual potluck. Today I'm going to make Romanian Franks and beans. I call this is based on a recipe of my grandmother's that I grew up with eating. She came here from a Romanian community in Yugoslavia when she was 9 years old. She used to make it always with Campbell's pork and beans, but I have learned that I like it even better made with Bush's beans. So it's a very simple dish, cooks quickly, and it's good comfort food. Here are my ingredients. Got a medium-sized can of Bush baked beans. I chopped up some red onion that I had a little bit of leftover laying around. I usually use either Vidalia or Spanish onion, but I just happen to have the red onion. I cut up 2 hot dogs. I've got them on a piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to pop them in the broiler. I've used some olive oil, some paprika, and a tablespoon of flour. Okay, so I've used about a tablespoon or so of olive oil. I dump the onions into the pan, and I'm using a little bit higher heat for this. You want to kind of get the onions so they're just starting to burn a little bit, get like a really dark brown, and that's what gives a lot of flavor to this meal, to this dish. Okay, as you can see, well, maybe it's not quite as easy to see because I used red onions, but the onions are starting to get kind of blackened, dark brown. The whole house smells amazing. And so now what I'm going to do is add some paprika. And I'm stirring that up. It's getting kind of dark brown. And now I add my flour. I stir that up. The flour helps thicken up the sauce. In fact, I'm going to pour some of the sauce in here, get that blended up really nicely with the flour. And now I'm going to pour the rest of the beans in. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit because I'm burning up my fingers. Okay. I'm going to lower my heat. I'm going to get this nice and stirred up together. And as this cooks, the flour will thicken up the sauce. Okay, well that's cooking. Here's a look at those hot dogs. I cut them up, I put them in the broiler. This isn't really a necessary step. It's just something I like to do because it kind of crisps up the outside of the hot dogs, gives them a little more flavor. They are already cooked. If you want, you could just cut the hot dogs up and let them get heated up in the beans, but like I said, I like it doing this way because it gives it an added bit of flavor. I'm going to put the hot dogs in. Stir them up. Our Romanian beans and Franks are ready to serve. Oh, one more thing. Please remember to wash your hands and don't touch your face.